Is it the right time to make a decision about Google stock? Let's dig deep into Google in this video. We initially released a report on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 18, 2023, our system has determined that Google is a buy candidate, with a score of 1.97. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.5%. This means that, on average, it has generated a return of 0.33% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the stock may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $146.62, it indicates a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.28% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.70% to 11.76%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 49.96% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 36.64% to 50.57%. This suggests a price range of $199.48 to $219.81 after 1 year. Our latest update on Google brings some important news. Red day on Monday for Google. On the last trading day, which was Monday, January 22, 2024, the Google stock price experienced a decline of 0.266%, dropping from $146.38 to $145.99. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.75%, reaching a low of $145.84 and a high of $148.39. It's worth noting that in the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of them, showing a 7.56% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 30 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.41 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, we've seen a high of $148.39 and a low of $88.58 for Google's stock price. Currently, the price sits 1.62% below the 52-week high at $2.40 less, and it's significantly lower than the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when it reached $2,448.92, specifically 94.04% lower, totaling $2,302.93. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, Wedbush upgraded Google with an outperform rating and advised to hold the stock. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer rated Google as perform with a recommendation to hold the stock. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight rating with a suggestion to hold the stock. On Friday, October 13, 2023, Macquarie upgraded Google with an overweight rating and recommended to hold the stock. On Friday, October 13, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight rating with a suggestion to hold the stock. Analysts unanimously recommend a strong buy for Google stock. The PE ratio and price to book are also rated as strong buy. Furthermore, the stock receives a strong buy rating for return on investment. Let's take a look at the signals that have been identified for Google's stock. The Google stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will receive support from the lines at $143.51 and $137.71. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been observed, which may have an impact on the short-term development. In fact, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 19, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.266% so far. The indication is that further fall is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It is worth noting that the volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume is expected to follow the price movements. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots also show a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, suggest a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average confirms a sell signal 12 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 45 days ago. Shifting our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe a sell signal for the short moving average 12 days ago. However, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal 39 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google's stock. When we talk about support levels, we refer to price levels where a stock tends to find buying interest. For Google, we can see that there is support just below today's level at $136.93. In case this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level, which is at $125.61. So, these are the key levels to watch out for. It's important to understand that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, it signifies a potential downward movement. However, for Google, the risk is considered very low due to its controlled movements and good liquidity. Let's take a look at the stock's recent volatility. In the last day, the stock moved $2.55 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.75% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.78%. These figures give us an idea of how much the stock price can fluctuate on a day-to-day basis. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before we discuss the potential trading levels for Google. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenue. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Google. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $146.38. If you're not a shareholder, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $136.93. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity for entry, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. Pichai Sundar, a key insider, has conducted the 5 most recent trades, involving a total of 22,500 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 3 most recent trades, we have determined that the insider power is currently negative, with a ratio of -99.185. In the last 3 trades, insiders have purchased a total of 0 shares and sold 22,500 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss at $140.47, which is a decrease of 3.78%. This particular stock has relatively low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend, suggesting that now may be a good time to consider buying Google stock. Our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day. On Tuesday, January 23, we anticipate Google stock to open with a gain of $0.750, starting the day's trading at $146.74. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided here, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're eager to hear your opinion on this stock. Share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you success in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day.